Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home jobs, PGT, TGT, assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see a wonderful opportunity to the UGC NET qualified candidates. That means not all the subjects, guys. Okay, only two subjects. Okay, here one of the public sector company announced the recruitment notification for the UGC NET qualified candidates. So here approximately you may get 20 lakhs per annum. Okay, this package. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as an immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. To the present content of the video. So it is Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited. So from this one here we got the recruitment notification, guys, regarding the HR executive and the public relations officer through the UGC NET June 2020 score. Of course, actually the examination done in the month of September, October and November. So whatever the examination done, based upon that one here the recruitment is going on. So advertisement in English, you may check down, guys. If you click on this one and then you will be directed to this in detailed PDF notification here. So we will see one by one the steps very clearly. Here ONGC has always been to the forefront to ensure energy security of the nation. We are thus on a lookout for young, energetic and promising talent for work centers in India and abroad. The internet recruitment in executive level post in HR and the CC disciplines through the UGC NET June 2020 score were notified by advertisement in the March 2020 in the national dailies, employment news and in the official website. So in the advertisement it was conveyed that the details about the number of posts will be announced at the time of inviting the online applications. So right now the interested candidates who have qualified in the UGC NET June 2020 need to apply online for the recruitment to the below mentioned post in the table 1. And let me check down HR executive as well as the public relation officer. For the HR executive, the essential qualification required is MBA with specialization in personal management or HRD or HRM with minimum 60% of marks, or else a postgraduate degree in personal management or IR or labor welfare with minimum 60% of marks, or else minimum 2 years full-time postgraduate diploma in a PM or else IR or the labor welfare with minimum 60% of marks, or else a postgraduate diploma from IIM with minimum 60% of marks. Okay. And coming to the UGC NET subject, you must qualify the subject of labor welfare or the personal management or industrial relations or labor and social welfare or human resource management, code number 55 or else the code number 17. Okay. So here how many number of vacancies are there as per the caste category also mentioned here. So total 50 number of vacancies are there under the HR executive. Fine. And while coming to the public relations officer, PG degree, postgraduate degree or also minimum 2 years diploma in public relations or the journalism or mass communication with minimum 60% of marks. So mass communication subject code is 63 and the total 6 number of vacancies are there. So out of the 6, 5 are unreserved category, and while coming to the 1 is the OBC. Fine. And so total 21 number of vacancies are there. And coming to the age limitations are also mentioned here. You may check down for the unreserved or the EBS category 30 years and OBC non-creamy layer 33 years and SC ST 35 years, PWBD 40 years, departmental candidates relaxation as per the respective category, ex-servicemen maximum 35 years irrespective to the category of the general OBC or SC or ST. Okay. And so these are the age limitations, guys. So coming to the selection process also, you may check down UGC NET June 2020. The desirous and the eligible candidates having the essential qualifications for the advertised post should have appeared in the UGC NET June 2020 as indicated above in the para 1. Name of the post, eligibility criteria, all these things. And the UGC NET June 2020 score in the subject mentioned against the post of the ONGC will be considered by the ONGC for shortlisting the candidates for the further selection process of the personal interview. And the final selection of the candidate will be based upon the following parameters. One is educational qualification, another one is performance in the UGC NET June 2020, and next one is performance in the personal interview. That means they will directly call you for the interview, guys. There is no written test and all these things. And coming to the weightage of the UGC NET June 2020 score, 60 marks maximum. Qualification, mean educational qualification 25 marks, interview 15 marks, so total 100 marks will be there. And coming to the starting date of the online registration of application, 15th December 2021, and the last date of online registration of application is 4th Jan 2022. Okay, so few more general instructions are also given here, and the finalization of merit list also given here. So I will provide this official website link in the description box of this video, so you please check out all the remaining details, guys. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and whatever the UGC NET based public sector companies are announcing the job notifications, then definitely I will inform you through my YouTube channel. So to get those videos as a notifications, then subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you're interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merit cycle, fine, and the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2, and the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get, and even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also, and you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I'm the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want